I can't keep up with your style. I can't keep up with your style.
Hello YouTube, it's Azir and I'm back with another guitar tuning tutorial. So this video is going to be about the open E tuning. So the strings are gonna be tuned into E, B, E, G sharp, B, E. But before we get started, I want to ask you guys to please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications for more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. You can also leave any type of suggestion, any tunings you may want me to make a video on, and I'll try to make a video on that as soon as possible. With that being said, let's get right into it. So your low E, high E, and your B strings are gonna be all as in standard tuning. So when you hit the strings, you're gonna see a green tick. Mine's a bit out of tune, so I'm gonna fix that quickly. So it should be like that. And the B string, fix that too. Okay, close enough. High E. That's about right. So for the A string, you're gonna tune to about positive 20. It doesn't have to be exact, close enough is just fine. The next string, again, about positive 20. The next string is gonna be about positive 10 or positive 9 is also fine. So that's it. Easy. You're now in open E tuning. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. If not, if you have any questions, just leave it down below and I'll try to help you out. And I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Me, myself.